Struggling to combine categories in Tableau to unlock powerful insights from your sales data? Let's dive right in. First, open Tableau and connect to your data source. I'm using the sample superstar data, which comes standard with Tableau, but this will work with any dataset that has the categories you want to combine. Now, look at your dimensions pane. You'll see fields like category and subcategory. We're going to create a calculated field that sums the sales for two different categories. Go to Analysis in the top menu and select Create Calculated Field. This will open the calculation editor. Give your calculated field a descriptive name, like Combine Office Sales. Now for the formula. Type in this formula: sum if category equals office supplies or category equals technology and sales, and this formula tells Tableau to sum the sales if the category is either office supplies or technology. Remember to replace these with the actual categories you want to sum from your data. Click OK if the formula is valid. You'll see a little green check mark. You'll now see your new calculated field in the Measures pane. Drag Combine Office Sales to rows and drag any dimension to columns, like region. And there you have it, a bar chart showing the sum of sales for your combined categories. Broken down by region, this is a great way to visualize combined data and gain deeper insights into your sales performance. Now you can easily create more informative charts and dashboards for your sales reporting.